Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 5th to the 19th. For this December 5th to the 9th, we still have a ridge here over the Northeast Pacific, Alaska, and we have a trough in the west. You can see it here. It's kind of the GFS shows split flow. So does the other models. And then we have a trough that extends from Hudson Bay into the northern states. And then we have another ridge here across the Gulf of Mexico and a very strong ridge here near Greenland. Leads to a zonal progressive flow between these two features here, the upper low and the ridge. So systems would be progressive moving through the eastern states or across the country. The pattern will result in below normal temperatures for most of the west, northern central states, and some rain affecting and snow affecting parts of the west. Also, heavy rain is forecast across portions of the east central states as moisture interacts with a front. And we'll try to look at those several systems here at the surface. Here's the west. We start seeing precipitation moving in here. Then we come to, let me see, we'll go here. See another system here affecting the east during the week. Several systems here affecting the east. Most of it will be rain, except maybe snow in the far northern areas of the northeast. And above precipitation forecast for California into parts of the Rockies and from the southern plains into the mid-Atlantic states due to this moisture influx into this region. We'll look now at the period for December 10th to the 14th. And a ridge remains over the Northeast Pacific and Greenland, a trough forecast in the west. And we also have a trough trying to extend into the northern states. We have a southwest float above normal heights across the east central states. You can see it here. Our ridge remains across this area here. So it doesn't really change all that much. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let's see if this is going to work now. Okay, looks like it's going to. Maybe not. Okay. Calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, with anomalies near 6 degrees above normal. Excuse me, I sneeze. For below forecasting below normal, above normal precipitation for this area here and here. Probability of occurrence near 40%. Below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence near 40%. Now, there's been talk about a polar vortex disruption, but the models aren't showing it here yet. And this is for the period for December 15th to the 19th. And you can still see that we still have a ridge trough, ridge configuration here, more of a northerly, westerly flow here. But then as you get further in, the trough moves a little eastward. And there's a tendency here for a trough or below normal heights near the east. See, you can see it here. This is the European ensembles. And some of the models showing that. So for now, I'm calling for, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Calling for below normal temperatures for much of the country. And anomalies forecast to be near 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 5th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.